Contraceptives were only available under the counter. Exposure to arsenic led to many illnesses and lost lives. Disease spread further due to the stigmatization of ladies of the night. Disease spread further due to stigmatization of ladies of the night. Chloe Dell. Doctors of the era concluded that disease spread through bad smells. Intero Cayenne. The first British Public Health Act was not passed until 1848. The only available water sources were heavily contaminated. Cholera, typhoid, and typhus were rampant due to lack of public sanitation. One sanitary report described the appearance of the impoverished as wretched and neglected. One sanitary report described the appearance of the impoverished as wretched and neglected. Many laborers succumbed to disease in their mid-20s. Many laborers succumbed to disease in their mid-20s. One writer likened the air quality to swallowing a pound of cayenne pepper. One writer likened the air quality to swallowing a pound of cayenne pepper.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.